Every new month or new year, lots of people come to my DM and ask me this question. Coach, I have little capital and I'm looking for a business that I can start. Can you recommend anyone for me? Well, in today's video, I'll be dishing out top profitable business that you can start and always be in profit. All this business model that I'm going to be mentioning does not require much to start. If you have a willing mind and you're serious, then I want to tell you congratulations in advance. You see, most people think that starting a business, you need too much capital, you need to be very, very rich for you to start a business. But that's a lie. In my own opinion, I think that starting a business has to do with implementation, and that little capital can go a long way. Which I want you to go in the comment section and drop a comment and make a promise to yourself. All I want you to do right now is comment. I'll be consistent with any business model that I pick. Now, before we proceed to talking about these business models, it is important that you get to know me and I get to do an introduction. My name is Divine Kennedy, and what I do on this channel is that I teach you guys ways on how to make money online. So I try lots of side hustles, so when it has worked for me, I come right here to my channel and I share it with you guys. So it's very important that you go down and subscribe to my channel. Also, guys, like this video, share this video to your family and friends. Now, without any further ado, guys, let's explore the first business model that you can start with 20,000 naira or less. Now, guys, the first business model on my list is called cleaning services. And guys, for cleaning services, what do you need? A broom, a mopping bucket, and a mop stick. That's everything you need for a cleaning business. You don't need much. And after that, guys, you want to create your profile on Instagram and Facebook. Now, cleaning services are businesses that can thrive well on their own. So, guys, you can start with your neighborhood. You can actually pitch to people in your neighborhood and tell them, oh, you clean. Now, the one thing you don't know that not only cleaning of houses and residential areas, you can also anchor events. When they finish a party, people are going to litter the ground. You're going to see empty bottles of water, of soft drinks and all of that. You can tell them, oh, I can clean this space. And once you do this for one or two persons, they're going to recommend you to their friends, and before you know, you start building a good thriving brand. I know a relative of mine who makes 100,000 naira using these cleaning services businesses. So this is a business that you can scale, in my own opinion. Now, the second business model on my list is called thrifting business. And guys, thrifting business, you really don't need much to start. So guys, you can set up a background in a corner of your house and you can buy like a mannequin, and you can buy little thrifting clothes, and then you can actually start posting on Instagram. You can use your phone camera, video these clothes, then use good hashtags, also post on trending audios. Every single day I come across Thrifts business page on Instagram, on TikTok, and guys, you can see in the comments, people say, oh, I'm interested. People want to buy clothes from the comfort of their home. For me, I feel like in this generation, people hardly have the strength to go out to shop for clothes. So guys, if you have like a thrift store, people can actually patronize you. Now guys, third one on my list is called POS business. Now, POS business is one of the lucrative business that you can start that requires little capital. So guys, all you need for this is a POS machine, a little fund in at least 20,000 naira or 30,000 naira that people can actually withdraw, and you also get your own commission. Now guys, I know someone who does POS in my area and she makes anywhere from 10,000 naira per day on commission alone. All right, now you don't actually need to have an umbrella. You can just go to busy places that you know that a lot of people are always coming there. Now I'm going to give you an example. You guys can see shopping mall, like for example, you see in Nigeria we have ShopRite. Now a lot of people are in ShopRite. Then guys can just attach yourself somewhere, then you can start doing your own POS business. Now guys, fourth business on my list is called jewelry business. As you see, people who are doing jewelry business are actually cashing out for themselves, all right, because people love wearing jewelries a lot. Now your first customers can be your family, relatives, right? They can also refer you to their friends and also their classmates and thereabouts. But at the same time, if you want to make good amount of money online, then you need to take your jewelry business online, because most businesses that you take online tend to make more money. All right, now you can open up a page for this your jewelry business. All you have to do is to come up with a good name. You can use Canva to design your logo. Also guys, upload your logo on Instagram or TikTok. Then you can now start posting videos about this necklace using trending sounds. You can also post pictures on this necklace on Instagram. All you have to do is to be very, very consistent. And also guys, if you have a little bit of fund, you can run ads to these jewelries so people can see it, and when people see it, they like it, they come to your DM, they ask you how much, you negotiate and you close them and you get a sale. That's it. Now guys, the first business ideas on my list is selling trending glasses. You know, a lot of people like wearing sunshades, like wearing sunglasses. Guys, trending glasses are something that people are always wearing, and guys can start with anywhere from 20,000 naira or even less than that. And the model is quite easy for you to get started. All you have to do is to come up with a brand name. Now let me give you one nice name that I just come up with in my head. You can see Glasses by Midday. It looks very, very good for me. It looks cool. I don't really know. But at the same time, you can actually create a logo using Canva for your brand logo. All right. Then you need to have like a brand page. Like I said, always take your business online, because any business you take online have the tendency of giving you good results and of course making you more money for yourself. And also, guys, if you start running ads to these glasses you're selling, you're even going to make more money for yourself, because it's going to get to reach more people. And also you can post it on TikTok using trending sounds. Also, guys, you can also create content with it. Just be creative around this your small business ideas, so it's going to try. All right, be creative about this. And then you can open a page on Instagram, start posting the glasses, and of course start telling them the ones that's available. You see, a lot of people are currently doing this business model that I've mentioned so far in this video, and they are cashing out for themselves. So what that matters currently is if you're willing to put in the work, then you're going to see good results. Now, guys, this business ideas on my list is called e-commerce. E-commerce is one of the sweetest business model that I can recommend to anybody right here. Now, e-commerce actually makes me money every single month for myself. So guys, all you have to do is to act as a middleman. So guys, you can actually sell a product, and once you sell a product, then the supplier is going to ship the product and everything to the customer, while you just get to keep your own commission. So my wonderful family, we've come to the end of this video. And when it comes to any business model, either online or offline, you need to put in the work in order for you to see results. That's why I say consistency matters a lot. All right, now if this video gets to 200 likes, I'm going to be doing a part 2 on most of those tips that you can start on a budget. And guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on so you can notify you whenever I drop more amazing content just like what you've watched. And I want to also know the business ideas that you pick in the comment section, and I'm also going to be giving you some advice on it too. So just comment it down and let me know what you picked and what you're looking to start. So guys, I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Stay winning. Big love from here. A big cheers.